Altcoin season is among us. If you look on the right side of my screen, you can see Horizon up 31%, Bitcoin Cash up 17%, Litecoin up 14%, Zcash up 10%, Ethereum Classic up 7.5%, XLM up 5%. Usually in alt seasons, this is what you'll see, but I'm expecting across the board, all these altcoins will be up double digits. It's everything that we were expecting. We were saying dump down June 9th to June 12th into the week of June 21st, which was going to be the rubber band snap back up for Bitcoin. Then as Bitcoin stabilized around 30,000, 31,000, we had said altcoins were going to start to fire up. And that's what we're seeing today. So in this video, we're going to dive into the dollar, Bitcoin, couple altcoins, and see kind of how July is going to line up. I believe it's going to be fireworks, but let's peel back the charts and see what we can expect going into July. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. And if you've been supporting for a while, leave a like and a comment as well too. And let me know what you think is going to be the best performer for July. I'm thinking it could be Litecoin. You tell me what you think it could be. So let's dive into it. We got the dollar right now on the 1-day chart. And we have this trend line that we got rejected by yesterday. And now we're hugging the bottom support line. I think what we're going to do is we're going to curl down in the stock RSI and the TSI, and the momentum's going to flip over. We're going to break this support line coming down here. And then we're going to see the dollar melt down, and we're going to see crypto start to melt up. If we look at bond yields, we came up to that trend line over here and we've gotten rejected so far. We're in that honeypot zone around 3.823%. I think we're going to get rejected there. The dollar, I think we're going to get rejected. Then if we look at the total crypto market cap, we shot above that trend line and then came back down to retest that support. I think it was on some news that the BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs weren't sufficient enough. They just weren't sufficient enough. They needed to do more detail. So it's not like they got denied. So just a little FUD moment, kind of liquidate some late longers, and we're holding that level still. So we're all good there. So 12-hour chart, I think we're going to see this candle get eaten up, and we're going to see the body close above this trend line coming down. And then we're going to start to keep going up here. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see it more clearly. You could even put this trend line coming down a bit, and you could argue and say that, hey, the body's already above this trend line right here. So we broke out above, came back down, retest the support. It's everything you want to see. We just want to see on the 6-hour chart, this TSI cross up and follow through, and the momentum continue to go up. And then if we look at the Bitcoin dominance could be ready to roll over right now. This is another thing that we're waiting on for alt season. We have the 1-day sell warnings. We have 2-week sell warning. We have a 12-day sell warning. We have 10-day sell warning. We have a 1-week sell warning. We have 6-day sell warning. We have 5-day sell warning. We have 4-day sell warning. We have 3-day sell warning, 2-day sell warning, 1-day sell warning. And it's likely we already got the 12-hour sell now. Yep. So it does seem like Bitcoin dominance is finally time to roll over. And that's why we're seeing some of these altcoins pop up crazy today. And I would say on the weekly chart, if we break back below this 200 moving average and we flash a sell now signal, that's our go. That is so our go that alt seasons are going to kick off in July. Like we were saying, July fireworks. So if you're not in the Discord, link is in the bio, come join it. If you want to get updated in real time when this 1 week sell now signal flashes on Bitcoin dominance, and you want to be ahead of that and get that real time so you know you can go all in on altcoins, then join the Discord, request VIP. My name's Rob at Stargate, and we'll get you situated on a plan so you can get access to all these tools. So if we go to Litecoin, 1-day chart, Litecoin broke above this downwards trending resistance line, and we're retesting this horizontal resistance up here. If we can if we can get above 101, 102, hold the body of the candle above, we're going to fire up. We're looking on the 1-day chart, and the TSI was looking like it was going to cross down right at that 0 line, but nope, it said nope. And now it's going up vertical, and we got a big spike in the MACD. So I believe a great trade, a peer-to-pair trade for the VIPs that we're looking at is going to be a coin to swap into Litecoin. I think Litecoin is going to be a top performer in the month of July. And that's what I laid out in the Discord. So in the Discord this morning, I had shared some charts, but also I said when we start seeing double-digit gains from multiple altcoins, that's how you know alt season's around the corner. I think we're going to see double digits across the board here soon, but also we're looking at a peer-to-pair swap for Litecoin. Litecoin halving 30 days away. EDX markets. One of the coins is Litecoin, elevated usage on the network and likely a commodity instead of security based on Bitcoin being a commodity and Litecoin's a fork of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is a fork. And we saw what Bitcoin Cash is doing. Litecoin's up next. We've been saying since May it's going to be a Litecoin summer. I think we're seeing the beginning of it. So I'm going to keep the VIPs updated on what coin we're going to do a peer-to-peer swap into Litecoin. So let's go back into the charts. And yeah, we're seeing the momentum heavy up here, heavy. So let's look at Bitcoin right now. We're at 30,130. We tried to get above this critical resistance and we got that wick up there. We went up to 31,300. And I would say we need to hold 29,840. If we come down here, I would say 28,500 is like the lowest I think we would be able to go. We could come down and have a wick to 27.6K. That's the 786. Like we could do something like this and remain bullish and give it another shot. So that's all good. If you do see that, it's fine. But we would experience like a little market kind of a shakeup if that were to happen. So short term, I want to see us hold 29,850, 30K really to hold that support so we can continue on up here and altcoins can continue to fire up. If we look at XLM did like a beautiful ascending triangle here like this. We had our equal resistance highs. We had our higher lows. We broke out, came back down, retest as support. We could come back down, retest again. But I believe XLM has more upside. We look at the 4-hour chart. You can clearly see that we're holding this trend line as support. And we came up to touch 11.8. So 0.118. We go to the daily chart. We took out this last high over here back in April. See how fast it happens? Spent months going down in just a matter of a week, 10 days, we already took out these highs back here. So given that we have a wick above here, the algos are triggering now. We're going to the upside. Like if I were to pull on the Fib forecaster, it's probably saying now upside, right? Yeah. So if we can hold a candle body close above this 1618, we're coming up here to the 2618, which is around 0.133 cents. I think we're going to get there. So that's that. And then let's just take a look at XRP. So XRP right now is trying to hold this trend line coming up. We have this resistance coming down. If you look at the daily chart, we're holding it fine right now. We have the 200-day moving average sitting right there as well too. If you look at the 12-hour chart, we're holding it. So yeah, I think next week's the time for XRP. For now, we just need to make sure we're holding support on these critical trend lines and as well as 44.5 cents, 45 cents, the max 44 cents we need to hold. So that's what I'm watching there. So come join the Discord. Link is in the bio. It's Rob at Stargate. If you want access to the Stargate signals, if you want access to all the channels that we have in here as far as the automated signals, like we have a bunch of automated signals flashing from the Stargate signals for all these coins here. If you don't know when you're going to sell or when's a good time to buy, this is the software that's going to help you get there. So link is in the bio. Join the Discord. My name is Rob at Stargate. Ask me how can you get the software and all the tools that we provide, and I will get you situated on a plan. So I will see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.